In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime Video. Let's dive right into the steps to get you started with endless entertainment at your fingertips. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Amazon Prime Video and hit enter. This helps you find the official website quickly. It's important to use a reliable browser to ensure security and a smooth experience. Once you've done that, look through the search results and click on the correct link. You need to make sure you land on the official Amazon Prime Video page. This is crucial to avoid any phishing sites that might look similar but are not safe. If you're unsure, check the URL to confirm it reads primevideo.com. Now that you're on the correct page, you will need to log in. If you already have an Amazon account, use your credentials to sign in. Logging in allows you to connect your subscription with your existing Amazon services, making management easier. From there, navigate to the Your Account tab. Under this tab, look for the Sign Up option and click on it. This step is straightforward, but it's a key moment as it officially starts your subscription process. You are now closer to accessing a wide range of movies and series. Next up, you'll need to choose your subscription plan by clicking on Change. Amazon Prime Video offers various plans, so pick the one that best suits your needs and budget. Remember, selecting the right plan can save you money in the long run as it aligns with your viewing habits. After that, it's time to choose a payment method. You will have several options available, including credit cards and gift cards. Select the payment method you prefer and enter the required details. This step is important because it ensures your subscription is active and uninterrupted. At this point, you're almost done. Go ahead and click Start Prime Subscription. Once you do this, you should see a confirmation message on the screen. This message reassures you that your subscription has started successfully. Congratulations, you are now subscribed to Amazon Prime Video. With this subscription, you have access to a vast library of films and shows. Enjoy exploring all the content available to you. Remember, you can manage your subscription at any time through the Your Account tab. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your Amazon Prime Video experience. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Have a great day and happy streaming.